Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your screen resolution and size in Windows 10. Start by opening the Windows search menu and typing resolution. From the search results, click on Change the resolution of the display. A settings window will appear. At the top, you'll see the option to change the size of text, apps, and other items. For example, mine is currently set to 100%, but you can increase or decrease this value. Decreasing makes everything appear smaller, while increasing makes items larger. Below that, you'll find the display resolution setting. Here, you can adjust your screen's resolution. My screen is standard 1080p HD, so I can't go higher, but if you're using a 4K screen or monitor, you'll be able to increase the resolution for sharper visuals. You'll also notice the option to change your screen's display orientation, switching between landscape and portrait modes if needed. And that's it. Changing your screen resolution and size in Windows 10 is quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more tech tutorials, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.